how to log into Craigslist account and sign into Craigslist.org. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can log into your Craigslist account and sign into Craigslist.org. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to log into your Craigslist account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open up your browser. Now you can also use the Craigslist application if you think that it's comfortable for you. Otherwise, you can simply open up your browser and then you simply want to go to Craigslist.org. You don't have to type anything, just go to Craigslist.org. Depending upon which region you live in, your website is going to track your IP address and then redirect you based on that specific region. I'll have a link prepared down in the description box if this is quite too difficult for you. Once you go to Craigslist.org, as you can see, it redirected me to lucknow.craigslist.org. If you live in Delhi, it is going to redirect you to delhi.craigslist.org, right? So that's how it works. Now once you're on the website, in order to sign in, it's very simple. At the very top right hand side, you will be able to see the little account icon. You want to make sure you just tap the account option there. And as you tap the account option from the top right hand side of the screen, here you can see it'll take us to account.craigslist.org, where we can simply sign into the account. So all we have to do is simply make sure to go ahead and then actually enter your email address as well as also the password for your account. And once you've done that, you can just tap on the login option. Now in case you don't have an account, you can just tap on create an account option, or in case you happen to forget your password, you can tap the forgot password option in order to hopefully receive an email address and then reset your password accordingly. But to give you a general context of the idea, this is how you can log into your Craigslist account on the Craigslist.org website. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.